How to confidently speak about your family and daily routine. Hello everyone. Before we begin, make sure you subscribe to my channel, Speak English Fluently, press the like button, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any powerful English speaking lessons. If you truly want to improve your English and speak confidently, this channel is for you. Now, let's begin. Have you ever felt nervous when someone suddenly asks you, "Can you tell me about your family?" Do you pause? Do you search for words? Do you feel shy? Today, I am going to help you speak confidently and fluently about your family and your daily routine in clear, natural English. By the end of this video, you will not only learn what to say, you will learn how to say it smoothly, confidently, and naturally. So, take a deep breath, relax, and imagine you are speaking with a friend. Let's begin. Part 1. Talking about your family. One of the most common questions in English conversations is, "Can you tell me about your family?" This question is simple, but your answer can show your personality, confidence, and fluency. Here is how you can start. Of course, I have a small and loving family. Simple, natural, confident. Now let's expand that idea. You can say, I come from a small family of 4 members. There are my parents, my younger sister, and me. We are very close to each other and we share a strong bond. Notice how calm and smooth that sounds. No complicated words, just clear sentences. Let me give you a full example speech. Of course, I'd love to tell you about my family. I have a small but happy family. There are 4 people in my family: my father, my mother, my younger sister, and me. My father is a hardworking and responsible person. He always supports us and encourages us to do our best. My mother is very caring and kind-hearted. She takes care of everyone in the family and creates a warm and loving home environment. My sister is cheerful and energetic. She is currently studying in school and dreams of becoming a doctor one day. As for me, I am passionate about learning new skills and improving myself every day. We may not be a big family, but we are full of love, respect, and understanding. Now let's break this down. When speaking about family, you can talk about number of members, their occupations, their personalities, your relationship with them, why they are important to you. You don't need big vocabulary. You need clear structure. For example, my father works as a teacher. He is very patient and wise. He always gives me good advice. My mother is a homemaker. She is the heart of our family. My brother is studying engineering. He is ambitious and hardworking. My grandparents live with us. They tell us wonderful stories about their childhood. See how easy this is? Now let's practice a slightly more advanced version. I belong to a supportive and understanding family. We believe in honesty, respect, and hard work. My parents have always motivated me to follow my dreams and never give up. I feel lucky to have such caring people in my life. When you add feelings, your speech becomes more powerful. Instead of saying, "My family is good," say, "My family means everything to me." Instead of, "We live together," say, "We support each other through every challenge." Emotion makes your English strong. Part 2. Talking about family values. If you want to sound more fluent and mature, you can speak about family values. For example, in my family, we believe in respecting elders and helping each other. Every evening, we sit together and talk about our day. This habit has made our bond stronger. Or, my parents taught me the importance of honesty and discipline. Because of them, I have become more responsible and confident. When you speak like this, people see your depth and confidence. Part 3. Talking about your daily routine. Now let's move to another common topic. Tell me about your daily routine. This question is very common in interviews, exams, and casual conversations. Here's how you can begin. Sure, let me tell you about my daily routine. Simple and smooth. Now expand. I usually wake up at 6 a.m. in the morning. After waking up, I freshen up and say my morning prayers. Then I go for a short walk or do some light exercise to keep myself healthy and active. See how structured that sounds? Let's continue. After exercising, I take a shower and have my breakfast. I prefer eating something healthy like eggs, fruits, or bread. Then I start my work or attend my classes. Notice the use of transition words. After that, then, next, later, in the evening, finally. These words make your speech flow smoothly. Here is a full example. My daily routine is quite simple but productive. I wake up early in the morning at around 6 a.m. After brushing my teeth and freshening up, I do some light exercise to stay fit. Then I take a shower and have breakfast with my family. After that, I start my work.
I focus on my tasks and try to complete them on time. In the evening, I like to spend time with my family or read books to improve my knowledge. At night, I review what I learned during the day and prepare for the next day. Finally, I go to bed around 10:30 p.m. That sounds fluent, right? Why? Because it follows time order. Morning, afternoon, evening, night. Clear, organized, confident. Part 4. Adding personality to your routine. Don't just list activities. Add personality. Instead of saying, I wake up at 6, say, I prefer waking up early because it makes me feel fresh and energetic. Instead of, I work, say, I dedicate my time to improving my skills and becoming better every day. Instead of, I sleep at 10, say, I try to sleep early so that I can maintain a healthy lifestyle. When you explain why, your English becomes stronger. Part 5. Combining family and daily routine. Now let's combine both topics into one powerful speech. Listen carefully. Hello everyone. Today I would like to talk about my family and my daily routine. I come from a small and loving family. There are 4 members in my family: my parents, my younger brother, and me. My father is a responsible and hardworking man who always inspires me to stay focused on my goals. My mother is caring and supportive. She manages our home beautifully and keeps everyone happy. My brother is playful and intelligent. We share a strong bond and enjoy spending time together. As for my daily routine, I try to live a disciplined life. I wake up early in the morning and start my day with positive energy. After freshening up, I exercise for a while to keep myself healthy. Then I have breakfast with my family, which is one of my favorite moments of the day. After that, I begin my work and focus on completing my tasks efficiently. In the evening, I spend quality time with my family. We talk, laugh, and share our experiences. At night, I reflect on my day and prepare myself for tomorrow. I believe that maintaining a balanced routine and staying connected with family are the keys to a happy life. That is a complete, confident answer. Part 6. Pronunciation tips. Now let me give you some pronunciation tips. Don't speak too fast. Don't swallow words. Speak clearly. Family, routine, responsible, supportive, energetic, disciplined. Practice these words slowly. Confidence is not about speed. Confidence is about clarity. Part 7. Practice section. Repeat after me. Now I want you to repeat after me. I have a small and loving family. My parents are my biggest supporters. I wake up early and start my day with positive energy. I believe in discipline and hard work. My family motivates me to become a better person. Repeat these lines every day. Practice builds fluency. Part 8. Overcoming fear while speaking. Many people say, I understand English, but I can't speak. Why? Because of fear. Fear of mistakes. Fear of judgment. Fear of embarrassment. Let me tell you something powerful. Mistakes are proof that you are learning. Even native speakers make mistakes. So speak. Even if your voice shakes, speak. Even if you forget words, speak. Fluency comes from courage, not perfection. Part 9. Advanced version. For higher level learners. If you want to sound more advanced, try this. I was raised in a nurturing and value-driven family. My parents instilled in me the importance of integrity, perseverance, and compassion. Their guidance has shaped my personality and influenced my life decisions. I strive to maintain a structured daily routine because I believe that consistency leads to success. By balancing work, family time, and self-improvement, I aim to grow both personally and professionally. That sounds powerful, right? But remember, fluency is not about using difficult words. It's about expressing yourself clearly. Part 10. Final motivation. Imagine 1 year from now. Someone asks you, can you tell me about your family? And you answer confidently. No fear, no hesitation, smooth and natural. That version of you starts today. Practice speaking about simple topics like family and daily routine. Record your voice. Listen to yourself. Improve a little every day. English is not magic. It is practice. Daily practice. Small improvement. Big results. Now, before I end this video, I want to remind you again, if you found this lesson helpful, subscribe to my channel, Speak English Fluently, like this video, share it with your friends, and comment below, I will speak confidently. Your journey to fluent English starts with one decision. Make that decision today. Keep practicing, keep believing, keep speaking, and I will see you in the next powerful English lesson. Thank you for watching. Stay confident, stay motivated, and keep speaking English fluently.